In this lesson, we'll discuss about tuples, and we're gonna see many behaviors regarding tuples. Let's begin. Let me have the first tuple, which is tuples 1, and let me say there's numbers, and let me have the second number, which is again tuple 2, tuples 2, and let me say it stores like color, name of colors, let me say blue, green, black, and the final color will be like white. So these are the name of the colors. Let me show you the behaviors of these tuples. Let me say print. You can simply print tuples as they are. Let me say print tuple 1. Here we go. Tuple 1 is printed 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. And if I print tuple 2, tuples 2, the name of the colors is printed. So today I want to show you the difference between the tuples and lists. The basic difference between tuples and lists is that you cannot change the members of the tuples as we do on lists. So once you write tuples, you cannot modify, you cannot alter or do some kind of change in the members of these tuples. So this is the first basic difference between these tuples and lists. The other difference between these tuples and lists is that when you write on tuples or when you type tuples, you're gonna use this parenthesis, and when you use lists, you're gonna use this open and close bracket. So this tuples 1 variable is now is list, is not tuples anymore. So this one is list. So if you want to change lists to tuples, you're gonna simply use parentheses. So this is the difference. So the basic difference between these two things, the tuple and the list, is that you cannot modify tuples and they have parentheses instead of close and open bracket. So let me show you tuples 1, and let me assign a value for it. Like if I want to change the first member of tuple 1, and let me say it's 9, and if I want to print this, I will have error. Okay, let me say print tuples 1. Then if I run this, we will have error. Let me run this. Here we go. Tuple error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So you cannot modify or you cannot change the data or the members inside tuples. So this is the first example. Let me show you some function of lists. If I want to write append, as you know, append is to add some member on the list or on the existing members. Let me say if I want to add 99 on tuple 1, if I run this, we'll have error again. Here we go. Tuple object has no attribute append. Let me change this one. If I change this thing to like lists, then undoubtedly this one will work. 99 will be printed as a member of tuple 1. As you already see, I changed these tuples to lists because they are in open and close bracket, inside open and close bracket. Here we go. As you already see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 99 is added as a member of this variable tuples 1. So we can modify the members of lists, or you can do anything, or you can make any kind of changes on lists, but you cannot do such thing on tuples. And the other thing here I want to show you about tuples is that you can print individual members from tuples. Let me say if I want to print from list to like the second color that's green, you can print any members from the tuples. Let me run this. So here I have green. So you can print any individual member from the tuples. You can also put tuples inside a list. Let me say, if I have this, let me have a list is like numbers 8, 7, and let me have 9, 10, 12. So if I want to print tuples inside a list, you can simply use like, you can simply assign, let me change this one to tuple 1, and I'll change this to 2. So when I run this, these tuples will be printed. Here we go. Let me show you this one. You can change tuples inside a list. Let me show you. Tuples 1, and let me send a value for it. Let me say it is 34. If I say print tuple, if I say print tuple 1, this tuple will be replaced by 34. Here we go. 8, 7, 34, and 9. So this is how you can change tuples inside a list. But you cannot change any member of tuples, or you cannot assign, or you cannot modify tuples. You can simply use tuples as they are. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, write your comment below, share the video, and hit the like button.